So this could be you. This could be you just got licensed. You're just getting started in the insurance business, and the agency that brought you in has instructed you to go find all your friends and family, put them on a list, try to have an appointment with them, and then try to sell them some insurance. So you've reached out to them all, you have sat down with everybody, and now you've sold everybody that you could sell, and now you have nobody else to sell to. Welcome to the Final Expense Sales Academy, the hub for mastering the art of final expense life insurance sales. If you're looking to become a pro in the final expense industry, you're in the right place. My name is Kyle Williams, and I'm your host to go through the ins and outs of the final expense business, from tips to tricks to industry insights. We cover everything you need to close deals with confidence, provide true value to your clients, and become a better insurance agent. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started on elevating your sales game one video at a time. In this episode, we are going to talk about what to do when your warm market dries up and you're just getting started as a life insurance agent. So that is what we're going to discuss in this episode. So this could be you. This could be you just got licensed. You're just getting started in the insurance business, and the agency that brought you in has instructed you to go find all your friends and family, put them on a list, try to have an appointment with them, and then try to sell them some insurance. So you've reached out to them all, you have sat down with everybody, and now you've sold everybody that you could sell, and now you have nobody else to sell to. So you may have made a couple different sales, but it's not making the financial impact that maybe you were sold on, or maybe you're not making the amount of money that you want to make in the insurance business through trying to sell friends and family and making a warm market. Again, there's a solid chance that you were sold the idea of making hundreds of thousands of dollars, or maybe even millions of dollars, by just trying to sell to friends and family. There was really no actionable action plan to build a business to make good money. Can you make good money in the business? Absolutely. You certainly can. But selling a pipe dream and just selling to friends and family can be very difficult. Now you've been there, so now you see that it's just not achievable to sell to your friends and family. So this is where... and this could be where you're at. Most insurance agents get discouraged, and a lot of times at a fork in a road, to either A, find a different path, or B, get out of the business. Most agents choose B because they don't know what the option A is to go down the different path. Thankfully, there is the way for option A for you to stay in the insurance business. And it requires you to work differently than the rest of your agency you may be a part of. And the magic word is called leads. A lead is the lifeblood of an insurance agent. Without any leads, you have nobody to sell to. You didn't know it, but when you were prospecting to your friends and family, what you were doing was you were creating a pipeline of leads to sell to. Now that's all dried up. So the magic formula is to keep your hopper full of leads, of prospects. So what's the magic formula? Purchasing. If you can't generate enough warm market, purchase leads. There is an abundance of final expense life insurance leads that you can purchase, and they're not really that expensive. You get a great ROI. If you're an insurance agent just trying to work a warm market, it can be very difficult. It's achievable. It can be done by somebody who's maybe a center of influence in a large circle. Not everybody has the privilege of what that individual has. It requires a lot of work, coffee, lunch meetings, cold outreaches, begging for referrals, and so much more. Or you can just ask a lead vendor to accumulate all the data, reach out to the individuals. These individuals request information. You buy the lead, you go see them. Let the lead vendor do all the work. Now you're talking to a prospect who has shown some interest in looking into some insurance. Trust me when I say that insurance agents who work leads write substantially more business than agents who just try to work a warm market. Now you're thinking maybe, where can I get some leads at? There are tons of lead vendors that sell life insurance leads, okay? But be careful. There are some slimy ones in the business. Some will sell you junk leads. What is a junk lead? A junk lead is a lead that is been sold multiple different times. It is old, and it is maybe distributed to tons of different agents at the same time. So the trick is that most of the lead vendors, and usually the best lead vendors, have exclusive contracts with agencies, and it's somewhat difficult to get leads purchased through them on an individual basis if you're not a part of these insurance agencies. If you're not a part of an agency that has access to leads, honestly, the best thing to do is to talk to other insurance agents that are being successful purchasing leads, see what lead vendor that they are using, and then attempt to use the leads from that vendor, because now you know that it is a viable lead source. Working leads does not guarantee a sale either. I want to be very clear about that. A lead is simply just a lead. What I teach my agents is that it is just a name and an address. It is still up to you to sell an insurance policy. You have to work a process for every lead. You should be getting 25 to 35 leads a week. If they're fresh premium leads, it is best if they're fresh. You can work some aged leads, but it is best if they're fresher. Working in person, going to see the people at their houses, is substantially easier than over the phone. And when you see these people, you can set appointments, or you can just drop by and see them, or do a combination of both. And you try to get in the door the first time you make contact with them and try to make a presentation. There are multiple different ways that you can work leads, but the important thing is having a system in place and that you can execute at a high level. Now, I have several different videos about leads, and I'll tag them here, and you can go through and go watch them, and hopefully it will help you work through leads that, since your warm market may have dried up. And this will help you get more sales. It will keep you in the business longer. It will help you provide a better income for your family. And at the end of the day, you get to protect more lives and protect them in the event that they pass away, or really when they pass away. So if you have any questions, comment below. Be sure to subscribe so that way you catch all our latest videos. If you receive something valuable here, just share it with your friends, share it on social media, and we will see you in the next episode.